All right, let's do the practice test for select missing word or phrase. Just a reminder, really listen to understand, pay attention to contextual clues. The answer is there, and they're just gonna kind of repeat it and be even more concentrated towards the end of the recording to catch the last couple of words, because they can really help you to pick the right answer. Ready? Let's go.
Did you know that we Americans have about 3 times the amount of space we did 50 years ago? 3 times. So you'd think with all this extra space, we'd have plenty of room for all our stuff, right? Nope. There's a new industry in town, a $22 billion, 2.2 billion square foot industry, that of personal storage. So we've got triple the space, but we become such good shoppers that we need.
Okay, did you get it? I think it's very obvious because he is talking about how we're running out of space, and he's talking about this storage industry, which is a new industry, and it's because people shop more and more. So no matter how much space we give them, specifically he's talking about American people, so no matter how much more space we give them, they shop so much that they're still gonna need more. So just based on the context, third option is the right one. Let's jump to the next lesson.